morning, my cheeky monkeys. How are you? Well, I'm here outside in the garden today, and I want you to pay attention and listen to this sound. Can you hear it? Just put your listening ears on. Can you hear it now? Yes. What are they? You are right. They are birds singing. And do you know why are they so happy? Because it's spring. As I told you a long time ago, we're still in spring. It's going to be summer very soon, but we're still in spring. And I was wondering, maybe you would like to make a bird feeder with me. Don't you know what a bird feeder is? Well, don't worry. It's a container where we are going to put food for the birds to come and get some when they're feeling very hungry. Okay, so if you would like to do it with me, just have a look at the following video, okay? Bye. These are the materials that we are going to use to make our bird feeder. We will need some seeds, a paper roll, and cheese. You can also use butter, but it's better if you use this soft kind of cheese. Firstly, we're going to open the cheese and we're going to spread it all over the paper roll. You need to make sure that you cover every single bit, okay? Because this is going to work as the glue for the seeds, okay? Once you think that your paper roll is completely covered with the cheese, it's time for us to place it on top of the seeds and roll our paper roll all over the plate. If you think that it has many empty spaces, you could take a pinch of seeds and just place them on top. And now we will put a string going through the roll. We've got our bird feeder done. Now we have to look for a place where to hang it. And this is our final result. Well guys, I hope you liked our bird feeder and we can't wait to see all yours, okay? We're sending you loads of kisses. Bye-bye.
Bye.